emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Hey, welcome back to part 8 of E-Models Airfix 124 scale Grumman F6F-5 Hellcat. I have to read it. Even after all this time I still can't remember exactly what it is. Right, this part, which with any luck will be the last one, I'm just tidying up all the little bits and pieces that basically haven't built along the way. Main ones are the wheels. So I've got obviously 2 tyres and various parts to make up the centre of the wheels, and obviously the other one is the propeller, which is fairly easy construction, but still left lots of bits of gap and things knocking about, so I gave it a good dose of sprue glue the other day, and we'll give that a good filing and see what it all looks like. And then these fit over, and at the moment they don't meet, but we'll see what we can do to get those together. And that's pretty easy to make. Basically it's matte black with yellow ends. Okay, and then we'll be fitting a few bits and pieces. As you can see, it got big. It's got the engine on at the front, and as you can see with that brake and everything, underneath we've got the missiles on, the wheels, the undercarriage, so it's down there, on there, and if you can see it. So I've tried to put the camera higher up, but it just kept dropping. I think I need a new camera stand. So the flaps on there. So we've got some flaps to put on the top of the wings, and I'm going to turn it for you. It's a big plane. And on the other wing I've fit the last of the control surfaces, and I've got the missiles to put on the bottom as well. They need a varnish coat on those and a bit of weathering. So mainly what we're doing is getting all these painted up, primed and painted up. Oh, the other thing is these are some struts that go around the engine, and we'll get those painted up as well. There's another one, where's that? Is that those? Yeah. So we've got wheels, wheels, propeller and struts, and this thing that goes on the wing, which I've had primed for ages, just keep forgetting to paint. So we'll see, and last thing what we'll do is we'll fit some of the clear parts. So on here I painted the over the blue just white, and this is either red or green. I'll have to look it up again. And the other wing, again, just painted it white, just show the so the colour shows up. And then we'll put some of the clear parts over those. And then some of the brown ones go underneath on here. So to say there's 3 different coloured lights. So again I painted them white so the colour shows up better against the dark blue. So that's what we're up to, and we'll get some priming and things done, and then we'll come back when I've got something to show you. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, to show where we're up to, so I've done the propeller. So with this basically painted the tips yellow first, then masked them off, and then painted black on the rest of it. still needs a bit of weathering and sorting out. And I've done the other bits and pieces. I've done both of these. I only need one of them. I'm going to be bothered working out which one it was. So these go in the join in here somewhere, and that's fitted to the plane. And same with these. And some of the engine struts to go on as well. But what I'm doing here is put a bit of a wash on. Still working on there, so clean it up a bit just to pick out some of the details, make it less clean. So starting on this side, so this is a clean, and this is where they're tight. So I'll show you on this wing, because basically I can't get the plane in shot enough to make it worthwhile. So I'll show you what I'm doing on this. So basically I've just been doing a just normally grey clay wash. And this particular one I've got is not sold by E-models, but E-models will definitely have washes in that you can use. So what I'm doing is just a little bit of water. Put it off, and then just removing the excess until you get to a level you're happy with. Okay, so what to do is rub it, let it dry, see what there is, and then stop when you're happy. So I'll come back when I've done a bit more of the top. Okay, so I'm still working on this side to get it a bit better. So whatever break and just paint up the other side. So it's liberally paint it on, try and get it sort of fairly smooth without it pooling or bubbling on that, because it basically leaves little marks and things. But basically slap it all over and let it dry, and then wipe it off. As I say, keep going until you get to a level you're happy with on there. So I'll be back when this dries in a couple of minutes, and we'll have a look, see how it looks when we start taking it off. So that's the wing weathered up. So you can see all the rivet points, panel lines all coming up nicely. And I've done a bit of the weathering around the guns, both sides, and where the bolts for the gun bay is, and a bit behind where the missiles come off. Whether it does that or not I don't know, but anyway, it's my model, that's what I'm doing with it. So basically what I need to do now is do this with the rest of it, which is I won't be showing you because it's just far too big to get on camera, but as I say, I'll show you more towards the end and see what I can do. Okay, see you in the next bit. Okay, so that's the Hellcat completed. So as I say, it's, as you can see, it's really big. Too big for me to film much of what I've done, though I've included some photos at the end of this part, which I'll hopefully show a bit more detail. So we've got the engine all completed with the propeller, the folded wing on there, the aerial wire fitted in there, gun bay open, and the flaps roll down on this side, and everything's buttoned up on that side. Okay, and done a bit of live weathering just to take the sheen off it. Okay, so what do I think of the Hellcat? Well, hopefully it was just my model that had the problem with the fuselage. As I say, if you look back at previous parts, it didn't go together very well at all. On the whole, that's been the only problem. Airfix's soft plastic has caused a little bit of seam line and tiny bits of flash here and there on bits. Especially some of the bits around the engine were fairly flashy. Otherwise, it's not a particularly hard kit. So all the details in the engine, the rest of it's actually quite easy to do. So yeah, I recommend getting this kit. It's interesting, only for just doing the engine itself. So pop along to eModels. That's emodels.co.uk. Brilliant website. Get it for Christmas. Brilliant model for that. It's a good Christmas present. Treat yourselves if you're not going to get someone else to do it for you. Okay, otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and I'll be along hopefully for eModels very soon with a new build. Thanks very much for watching.